for all and hope for all is not just a theme. It is a promise, a responsibility, and a heartbeat of humanity. With us today is five extraordinary personalities, leaders who turn food into dignity, hunger into humanity, and service into hope. With no further delay, let us begin. With us here today is M.S. Swaminathan, the father of the Green Revolution of India. Sir, how did your work bring India closer to food for all and hope for all?
I am Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. I dedicated my life to ensuring India never bows before hunger again. Through Green Revolution, we empowered farmers with scientific seeds, irrigation, and etc. Food for all became possible when each and every farmer is equipped with modern science, and hope for all became possible when they realized that their work could lift millions.
Here we have Dr. Varghese Kurian, the father of the White Revolution of India. Sir, how did White Revolution strengthen both food and hope for India?
Good morning. I am Varghese Kurian, and I believe that real progress would only begin when farmers control their own destiny. Through the cooperative movement, we ensured that milk reached every home and profits reached every farmer. Food for all grew through accessible nutrition, and where hope for all grew when rural families earned with dignity.
With us today is Narayanan Krishnan, a humanitarian chef who feeds the forgotten. Sir, what made you think that food is a source of hope?
I'm Narayan Krishnan, and my life goal is to feed the abandoned and the homeless. A warm meal tells a person you matter. Food for all begins with dignity, and hope for all begins where we restore humanity.
Next, we have Ankit Kawatra, one of India's youngest hunger warriors and the founder of Feeding India. Sir, how does youth-led action turn food into hope?
I am Ankit Kawatra, and at 22, witnessing food waste while people were starving changed my life. I went on to create Feeding India, a movement that feeds hunger. We rescue excess food from restaurants and cafeteria and deliver it to the hunger in need. When young people act, food become meals, and meals become hope. That's how youth contribute towards food for all.
Here we have Sri Madhupandit Dasa, a visionary leader behind Akshaya Trust Midday Meal Mission. Sir, how does a midday meal mission turn food into hope?
I am Marupani Dasa, and I believe no child should learn with empty stomach. Akshay Patra meals helps provide health, attendance, and confidence. When a child eats, a mind opens. Food for all is for education, but hope for all is for every child who dares to dream.
The next question is open to all our panelists. So how can India truly achieve food for all and hope for all in the next 10 to 20 years?
India will achieve this goal when each and every farmer is equipped with modern science and full support. When knowledge enters field, food becomes abundant, and when each and every farmer is respected, the hopes is unstoppable.
The answer lies strongly in cooperatives. When farmers share ownership, profits, and progress, nutrition spread, stability rises, and hope becomes a sad reality across India.
If every citizen shares a little, no one will sleep hungry. Compassion is the revolutionary thing that food and hope for all.
India produces enough already. We just waste too much. If we cut down on waste and distribute surplus widely, we can end hunger faster than we imagine.
The simplest solution for this is to feed every child in the school. When a child eats, mind grows, becomes stronger. So better India grows.
Today, we heard the voices that proved us one truth. Food is hope, food is dignity, and food is a right. Let us be the generation that turns meals into miracle. Let us be the generation that turns food for all, hope for all, not just a theme, but the future of India. Thank you.
Today, we present a skit that shows how good health builds not only stronger body, but stronger minds too.
The real struggles of families living in underserved communities and how health plays an important role in shaping their future. Scene 1. The interviews begin. The story begins with Anita and Rahul, two brilliant student reporters here to meet and interview the struggling people.
Good morning. We are here to understand your health challenges. Can we ask you a few questions regarding your lifestyle and the challenges you face?
Hey boy, what's your name?
I'm Ravi.
So what are the major health challenges that you face?
My mother has been sick for weeks. The clinic is far and the treatment is costly. Every day, she remains weak. My mind becomes heavy, full of stress and fear. When body suffers, mind also loses strength.
So healthcare must be affordable and accessible to everyone so that families can stay strong both in mind as well as body. Hey mister, you work outdoors daily. Let me know your name please.
I'm Kumar.
So what are the major health challenges that you face?
Dust, smoke, heat. Every day I breathe polluted air. My lungs hurt, my head aches, and my body becomes weak before my work even begins. Truly, a weak body means a weaker mind.
So cleaner the air, stronger the body and stronger the mind.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Meena, ma'am.
Meena, what are the challenges people like you face in this slum?
So my baby often falls sick, and every time he gets fever, my whole world stops. There is no proper clinic nearby, and traveling long distances with a crying child, it breaks my heart. I feel scared. What if something happens on the way? I'm a mother, but sometimes I feel so helpless. When the child is unwell, a mother's mind cannot stay calm.
Does your child attend school regularly?
He tries, but whenever he falls sick, he misses school. And I can clearly see the difference. When his body is healthy, his mind becomes sharp. He asks questions, he smiles more, he learns faster. But when he is weak, even holding a pencil feels heavy for him.
Thank you, Meena. Every mother deserves support to raise their child. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Asha.
Asha, what are the challenges young people like you face in this slum?
We don't get enough awareness about diseases like dengue, TB, and HIV. Without knowledge, our minds remain confused. We want stronger minds, minds that know how to stay healthy.
Thank you, Asha. That's right. Awareness is the power that empowers the mind.
Hello sir, what's your name?
I'm Selvam.
So what are the major improvements that can be made sir?
Clean water, proper drainage, and clinics nearby. Dirty water spreads illness quickly. When the body becomes weak, the mind also becomes tired. A strong body needs a healthy community. A healthy community needs clean surroundings.
So prevention starts with cleanliness. Thank you so much sir.
Rahul, we saw the challenges faced by the people in the slum. Their needs are real and urgent.
Now let us hear from the organization that is helping to strengthen both mind as well as body.
Hello, Ms. Darshini. How does UNICEF help communities like the ones we visited?
UNICEF focuses on immunization, nutrition, safe childbirth, hygiene awareness, and reducing child mortality. And healthy children have stronger body and sharper mind. When children get proper nutrition and vaccination, their learning improves.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A strong generation begins with strong children. Dr. Michelle, how does WHO can support healthier?
The World Health Organization works to prevent diseases like TB, HIV, malaria, improve air quality, strengthen healthcare systems, prevent diabetes and other diseases, and prepare for emergencies like COVID. When communities are educated and systems are strengthened, both mind and bodies remain protected.
Thank you, Dr. Michelle. Awareness is the power that empowers the mind and strengthens the body. Ms. Shafa, your NGO works directly in this slum. How do you help communities like those?
Many issues: dirty water, poor sanitation, people avoiding hospitals due to cost, pollution, and lack of health awareness. We conduct awareness programs, health camps, and support women and elderly. When people understand their health, their confidence grows. A strong mind helps them make better decisions.
Your work inspires us a lot, ma'am. So can you please tell me how can young students help them?
You can volunteer in health awareness drives, create posters, plant trees, and promote fitness and mental wellness in your schools. Every small step adds up to a healthier world.
Thank you, Ms. Shava. And thank you everyone for sharing your valuable insights with us today. Can we visit the slum and help the people over there?
Sure.
We're going to start a free health camp today.
Children, let's begin our Healthy Child, Happy Child program.
Together, we'll clean the surroundings and plan new life for a fresh beginning.
When awareness meets action, change becomes unstoppable. Scene 3, final message. Thus, everyone, including the children, all gather together to share what happened one by one, with the NGO, WHO, and UNICEF officers stepping forward to share their views as well.
When our health becomes strong, our body also becomes strong. And when our body becomes strong, our mind becomes strong.
When health improves, confidence grows. And when confidence grows, the mind becomes fearless.
When children are healthy, their mind shine.
Knowledge strengthens the mind, awareness protects the body.
Together, we build communities that are strong in health and strong in spirit. Stronger minds, stronger body, a better tomorrow.
And so, together in this story, Anita and Rahul proved that when a community chooses health, it chooses a better tomorrow.
The earth begins a journey in a calm and cheerful state. It stands bright and steady, reflecting balance and well being. Scene 1. People begin to waste water. The earth reacts with discomfort, showing the first sign of strain. Scene 2. Food is carelessly thrown away. Earth grows heavier and visibly weakened by this unnecessary loss. Scene 3. Electricity is misused. Earth appears dim and tired, losing its earlier brightness. Scene 4. Plastic use increase everywhere. The earth bends under the weight of the spreading plastic. Scene 5. Fuel is burned without thought. The earth struggles under the rising pollution. Scene 6. A responsible student steps forward after watching everything unfold. As the surroundings shift from disorder to balance, the earth slowly lifts itself, its posture straightening and expression brightening. With each correction, the earth slowly regains its strength. The dullness fades and the earth begins to recover its joy.
Less waste doesn't mean throwing away less. It means thinking before we throw. It means asking ourselves, do I really need this? Can I use it again or can I find better alternative? When we waste less, we are not just saving the environment. We are shaping our future. Remember, the journey to a sustainable future begins with an individual choices. If every one of us decides to waste less, our collective effort will create a ripple of change. Let's be that generation, the one that cared enough to change, the one that believed in less waste, more future. Thank you.